And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. I mean 30 Minutes fans. And folks, so this is Mixerwars and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now what we have here is an option part set for the 30-minute missions or 30 It is the option part set 14 multi-cut where you can, yes, including 30-minute sisters or the female versions, or I think the female versions of the 30-minute missions mecha, and as well as the main 30-minute missions mecha, you can put some cloth into them. But since this is 30 minutes or 30 I thinking it might be compatible with, I don't know, 30-minute fantasy, but we'll see. So that's what we see in the box art. Here's the option parts. Then it's fully equipped here. Off to the side, you can have this one, and yep, it tells you it's compatible with the 30 minutes things and stuff. How you can put and pose them, and there are two kinds of scarves. And yep, even the railways can be, use it. So that's what we have on the box. Opening it up, we see one bag with three screws, all gray for the cloth. Yep. Another bag, bigger cloth design, and another bag for the smaller cloths and whatsoever. And of course, we have the instruction manual here, wherein, based on the cloth type, they are also telling you to switch out some parts so that you can be compatible with them. Yeah, like this one, how to equip the scarves, equipping this one. Anyways, let's see individually at the screws. Alright, so first off, we have the option part set, or OPS 14-A. This is, the bigger cloth that you can drape on the mechas for 30-minute missions. And it also have the option parts 14-B. So this is for the smaller frame 30-minute mechas. I thinking it can also be compatible with the 30-minute sisters and probably 30-minute fantasy. Yeah. And it also has the C1, wherein this is the scarf, right? Two kinds of scarves, and the C2, still some cloth for the scarves, and the connector pins, and of course some ball joints in order to attach it to them. And there you have it, Plum fans and folks. I mean, 30 minutes, fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the option part set 14, or what specifically called the multi-cloth. And this is Mixer saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, subscribing, sharing, and liking. And until next time, see you and thank you.